Hey guys! In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Tools panel in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. In Premiere Pro, the Tools panel is found on the left side of your workspace and is packed with useful editing tools. These tools are meant to help you edit your videos quickly, smoothly, and effectively. The first tool in the Tool panel is the Selection tool. It is used for selecting clips, menu items, and other objects in the user interface. The keyboard shortcut for the Selection tool is V. Using this Selection tool, we can select clips on the timeline and drag them wherever we want. The next one is the Track Selection Forward tool. It is used to select all the clips to the right of the cursor in a sequence. The keyboard shortcut for this is A. We have taken the Track Selection tool and will select this clip. This tool will select all the clips to the right of my click. The next one is the Track Selection Backward tool. It is used to select all the clips to the left of the cursor in a sequence. The keyboard shortcut for this is Shift+A. I have taken the Track Selection tool and will select this clip. This tool will select all the clips to the left of my click. The next one is the Ripple Edit tool. The shortcut for the Ripple Edit tool is B. It is used to trim the in or out point between two clips on the timeline. The Ripple Edit tool closes gaps caused by the edit and preserves all the edits to the left or right of the trimmed clip. The next tool is the Rolling Edit tool. The shortcut for the Rolling Edit tool is N. It is used to roll the edit point between two clips in a timeline. The Rolling Edit tool trims the in point of the one and the out point of the other, while leaving the combined duration of the two clips unchanged. The next one is the Rate Stretch tool. The shortcut for the Rate Stretch tool is R. It is used to shorten the clip on the timeline by speeding up its playback, or to lengthen it by slowing it down. The Rate Stretch tool changes speed and duration, but leaves the in and out points of the clip unchanged. Then we have a Remix tool that helps in remixing audio. Select the Remix tool and drag the edge of an audio clip. An Essential Sound panel will be opened where you can remix audio clips using these properties. The next one is a Razor tool. The shortcut for the Razor tool is C. It is used to make one or more cuts in clips on a timeline. Click a point in a clip to split it at that precise location. Also, you can add cuts by pressing Ctrl+K or Command+K on the keyboard. In the description below, you can find a link to Envato Elements, which offers millions of incredible resources to assist you on your video creation journey. The next one is the Slip tool. The shortcut for the Slip tool is Y. It is used to simultaneously change the in and out points of a clip in a timeline while keeping the time span between them constant. The next one is a Slide tool. The shortcut for the Slide tool is U. It is used to move a clip to the left or right in a timeline while simultaneously trimming the two clips that surround it. The next one is the Pen tool. The shortcut for the Pen tool is P. It is used to set or select keyframes, or to adjust connector lines in a timeline. Drag a connector line vertically to adjust it. Use Ctrl+left click or Command+left click on the connector line to set a keyframe. The next tool is the Rectangle tool. It allows you to create rectangular shapes, and you can modify its properties in the Effect Control panel, then Shape, and then Appearance. You can adjust parameters such as color, stroke, and shadow. Following that is the Ellipse tool, which is used for creating ellipse shapes. Lastly, we have the Polygon tool, which enables you to create polygons. The next one is a Hand tool. The shortcut for the Hand tool is H. It is used to move the viewing area of a timeline to the right or left. The next one is the Zoom tool. The shortcut for the Zoom tool is Z. It is used to zoom in or zoom out in a timeline viewing area. Click in the viewing area to zoom in by one increment. Alt plus click or Option plus click to zoom out by one increment. The last one is the Type tool. The shortcut for the Type tool is T. We can use a Type tool to create a text box or type text on the project window. Then we have a Vertical Type tool to create vertical text on the project window. If you want to download project files or any of the assets used in creating this video, you can find the link in the description below. And that's it. In this tutorial, you've learned how to use the tool panel in Adobe Premiere Pro. Kindly share your experience in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in the next video tutorial.